Karma Guy here. Don't miss this rare manual 2014 Volkswagen Jetta Sport Wagon TDI. With a great service history, we're installing a new timing belt and water pump, valued over $1,500, a must-do for this engine. It's dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3 months or 3,000 miles warranty, and you can add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted rate. Plus, ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. The car has passed a recent computer scan with no issues, so it's ready to drive. As always, we encourage pre-purchase inspections. The bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten.